In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic content to Klaviyo emails. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign or setting up automated flows, Klaviyo offers powerful personalization options to create tailored email experiences for each of your subscribers. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage these dynamic elements to make your emails more engaging and effective. First, you want to start by opening your Klaviyo account and navigating to either the Campaigns or Flows section. This depends on where you plan to add your email. Campaigns are great for one-time sends to a list, while flows are perfect for automated sequences triggered by customer actions, like signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. Choose the option that fits your needs best and let's move forward. Once you're in the right section, it's time to create a new email or edit an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, click on the Create Email button and choose the template you would like to use. If you're editing, simply select the email you want to work on. Make sure to have an idea of the message and content you want to convey to your audience before proceeding further. Now, we're going to bring some life to your email by adding dynamic content. You can do this by dragging in a text or image block into your email layout. These blocks are where you can customize the look and feel of your email, as well as incorporate the dynamic elements that will tailor each message to its recipient. With your text or image block in place, click Edit. You'll see an option for personalization in the top right corner. This is where the magic happens. Personalization allows you to insert dynamic data, such as your subscriber's first name or recent purchase details, right into the email. Click on this option to get started with adding personalized content. When working with dynamic content, personalization tags are your best friend. For example, by using first name, Klaviyo can automatically insert each recipient's first name into the email. This not only makes your message feel more personal and warm, but it also increases engagement. Customization doesn't stop there. You can add any data attribute related to the recipient, making each email uniquely relevant to them. Before you hit send, take advantage of Klaviyo's preview and test feature. It's important to see how your email will appear in your audience's inbox. Send yourself a test email to ensure everything looks and functions just as you expect. Check that all personalization tags are pulling the correct data and that the overall design is pleasing to the eye. Finally, once you're happy with your email and confident that it meets your standards, it's time to save and send. Double check your recipient list or flow triggers, and when you're ready, go ahead and launch your email campaign or automation. Congratulations! You've successfully added dynamic content to your Klaviyo emails, dramatically improving the personalization of your customer communication. Remember, by utilizing Klaviyo's dynamic content features, you're not just sending emails, you're building relationships with your audience. Keep experimenting with different elements and templates to continually engage and captivate your subscribers. Catch you in the next video.